In this video, we're going to be going over how we can add a new referrer for the first time in Lawmatics. So on the PNC intake form, anytime you select the referrals option, you'll be able to choose from a list of names of who referred that client to your firm. However, if that person has never referred anyone to your firm before, you won't see that option yet. You'll need to go into the matter and add that referrer for the first time by editing the matter. So that's what we're going to do in this video. The first thing I've done is I've navigated to the matter profile page. Next, I'll click Edit, and then I'm going to scroll to the Matter Information section. In the Matter Information section, you'll see these marketing source and campaign fields. Change the marketing source field to referrals. Once you do that, the campaign field is going to change to referrer. This will allow you to search for any contact that you have in Lawmatics. Once you've selected the contact that referred this client, go ahead and click Save. Now that you've saved the matter, that referrer will show up on the list the next time you're filling out the PNC intake form.